If your science book seems like magic, you're not alone. Let's demystify it. Planck's constant, symbolized as h, is the ultimate cheat code for understanding quantum mechanics. Imagine energy not as a flowing river, but as a series of droplets. Each droplet represents a quantum of energy, and Planck's constant helps us figure out the size of these droplets. Here's the magic formula. E equals sign hv, where E is the energy of a photon, V is the frequency of light, and A, that's Planck's constant. It's like the secret ingredient in a recipe, making sure everything works just right. Why does it matter? Well, without Planck's constant, we couldn't explain why electrons behave the way they do in atoms, how light is emitted, or even how lasers work. It's the cornerstone of quantum mechanics, helping us unlock the mysteries of the atomic and subatomic world. So next time you hear Planck's constant, remember, it's the quantum key to understanding our universe. Stay curious and keep exploring the wonders of science.